Me can't have them, you know. Me and her India, me a laugh, hypocrite laugh. See that? Here, Swisslee, you see cockroach up in here, see that? I see that. Pretty me I said, I overhear them come from. Over here so them come over our side. Over for the apartment all. That me I say no minute, but me don't want to tell her if she feel no way. One time me and her talk, I say to them in the ceiling, yeah, Swisslee looking at the ceiling. I say shame. I laugh you want me laugh it off. Go ahead, roach house. With a roach house shot. I say I laugh you want me laugh it off, roachy. Blood clot there, roachy. Laugh you want me laugh it off, you know, guys, but me just a play with it, play with her too, guys. See that? See that? Roachy. I know him. Anytime I see her, I say, Roachy, alright? Yeah. So me I start call her Roachy. No? Don't call me name. I know your name, sir. Guys, me I show you something when the man give me. When him say me can put in if make them go. Guys, me not see none from morning, like for real. Swiss, you are stop her business. Oh. Guys, one thing with the roach when the guy over there, guys, over my hairdresser, them have manners. Them not crawl for you. A roach, them very demure, them very mindful, and them very humble. Them roach not crawl for you. Them say, yeah, them walk on, you're good, I walk past. That's the only thing. You will get freaked out because the roach are going to walk and heal you. That's the only thing over there. The roach are going to just walk past and heal you. But nothing else. The roach will just walk past and say, and you know, first you see a roach speak, you're going to freak out. And that's the only thing. Over there, alright, man. Over there, alright. And fair roach and fly. Oh, sorry. Fair roach and not fly, them won't go crawl. Yeah, fair roach and no fly. Them just crawl like them a idiot. Them just crawl. Them no fly. So them a just crawl upon the ground. Anyway, if you see them, when I go like, I'm not used to them something. Just step on it. I still going to do my ear. My roach, I glide. I saw my roach stay in as them just want to glide. See that? Glide, my roach now crawl. A different method is my roach, my crips and bloods in there. War. 12 o'clock tonight. Now wake up and make us see them. Guys, my fridge don't look too bad, but look too juice and too red. Too look cup soup like that. Last night, guys, I go flat and guys to all the rascal something did heavy, guys. I couldn't really buy everything, guys. The thing that me too pricey, guys. Me never true. Last night the place that I locked down, Walmart, guys. One of this, $40. Just one single one. So if you look, guys, if you look at things for me to me, if you love me and come look for me. Me move out some, so me thief 2 cases of this, and some cornflakes and some cup soup and some rice and some local mixed snacks. Because last night them put price on them. I black out there. Swiss appear snacks you buy. Them said that's with the fridge still empty. And I wanna full it now. Full it. Come full it now. Pretty poor blind man, I beg you something please. Full it. Send me. Let me see. Me need 4 bags of chicken, 6 pack of shrimp, 2 bags of my ice cream then. 2 bags of this, see that one left. The box can't dash right. 2 bags of this, Frank's ice cream. Me look on this every day if I see my penis get longer, I measure it with it. So you don't have to buy none of this. I just buy this with measure my thing. At the time, to see if it get longer. What else? Come, deal with the freezer first. Them also there will be a rascal juice in there. Juice. I want tropical rhythm. I want suppagent. I want orange juice. Oh, I have orange juice. I need anything. Yeah. No, I have egg. I buy 4 chair egg last night. And them was spoiled for me. Anything you can send, come give me. Guys, the fruits them we sell at Walmart saggy. Be a roach food. Lord God. Are they have about the roach? Chat, are they have about the roach? So that's show me there. That's it? Eh? Too much sweets. No, I can't thirsty, guys. I rather drink more than how I consume. Yeah, I have water, man. See my water there road, so I drink. I'm a guy, I drink room temperature water. So that's see my water here. I drink room temperature water because when you drink room temperature water, it let your body flow. It give me some of the egg them, no? Go and make a fall, fuck your arch. Go and make one fall, fuck your arch. Whereas I'm for give egg, I'm tell you, say, believe you have nothing. Go and make one fall, fuck your arch, 2 blood clot egg, you will get egg. Whereas I'm for give 2 of my egg, them may say, oh, egg expensive. And the people might tell you, say, me want to look more. Whereas I'm for get egg here. You want money? No, not from you, because I don't know. I don't take money from anybody, because you see, you see, when people come from people life and people might be no soon one day and not hear no ear no. And me give Swisslee $100 a day, you have to buy a grocery. And me go for him life and him give acknowledge me. Keep it blood clot. Me will learn for drink look a greater red, look a juice till them done. Till God bless me back. And then me go me fry look egg and bread, cook look mackerel and rice and keep it because when no blood clot bring me down. Because when it helps money, when you feel like the person entitled to heal on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to blood clot. As when it helps money, so no one the person say, hey, good night, this queen. Good night. Walk on. Move on the blood, be alright. God don't give you away. God give you away you can be. Look a cup soup a morning time. Look a cornflakes. Look a bread. Look a biscuit. Look a juice. Full your belly. Where you don't have, you do without. Mama, if you want to send a piece of food still, you can send it. But it's up to you. I never me beg you still, because you know me could have go back or buy a little thing for you. So, man, if you want wrap up a little evil, a little $200, a little $200 right now, that do me good. Because you see, you me can go Walmart, if I go Jamaican restaurant them, and then place I will heap of money me I go spend at the Jamaican place, you know, one bully beef up here, 1,000 so. I look at $200 with the airport. Yeah, I look at $200. Look at that game, I look at $200. Me not beg it, you know. Me just say, you seem like a kind person. I can read up people. Me just read you up and me say you're not gonna bring me down if me not acknowledge you. So, and my cash up only take $100 up. Because me usually take $1, them think me that to go fund. So them say I'm trying to scamming people because they usually send me $1. So them say I go fund thing me I deal with pan cash up, which I can't do it. So them say you have to send from $50 up for see say the person real. $50 up. For see say unreal. $1 and $2 now go work. So you will take it for you, how much? I go to me a bump on my friend, everybody can see some man girl I walk with bump on the pussy and the things say on the front good. I use stick razor. At least me a bump on my friend. Everybody will laugh off of my bump on my friend. Some man a bump on the front on the front, that's on the skin out of blood clot. And on the leg, them black like blood clot pot. And rubber on the blood clot fat. The fat girl, them a lead, you know. So man, a young girl, who the skin now rubber underneath, no black, no blood clot. When you can't even wear skirt, and if you wear bare blood clot long dress. With no. And leave me alone. Me go and show the ball. And leave me alone. On the front, chip up my blood clot. On the front, chip up my blood clot front phone. On the front, chip up my phone. On the bumpy front. Chip up my blood clot front. Phone to blood clot. Guys, may I come jump off and all. Here? I hold on beard. Team, I love Swiss, you need to stop. No, Angela, ram me around.